Hey guys, this is the KPON. I'm gonna call it, it's a charger, but I'm gonna call it like a side table charger. Pretty compact, pretty easy to use. It's got your phone, your earbuds, and your watch. We'll go through it. This is where you're gonna put your phone. It has a magnetic right here, so that way it magnetizes if you have the mag strip. When you have the mag strip, this is gonna work. Also, this is for your watch, to charge your watch. So you can put your watch, your phone, and if your earbuds can charge wirelessly, you can put them here. So there's 3 points of charging. Comes with a 20-watt adapter, which is actually pretty decent. And then comes with USB Type-C cable, which I love. I'm so glad we're done with the micro USBs in the USB-A. So there we go, 20-watt fast charging. You plug it in, sits on your stand. It has the rubber grips on the bottom. So that way it's anti-slip. Now if I lift it, you can move it. But as soon as I put it flat, it's not going anywhere. Love it. This is perfect because I have a watch, a phone, and I have earbuds. So this is going to be a great addition, and you need this. And I love the simplistic, simple design. The one thing I do like about this is how you cannot move this, and I'll tell you why. A lot of times when I get chargers or devices that this can move, over time it eventually loosens and it ends up just being flimsy. So this is the perfect design. It's got the angle, it doesn't move, and it just sits there. It does what it has to do. Love it, 10 out of 10. I'll catch you guys on the next one.